Good morning, guys. I'm back. It is day 6 of lockdown. I have officially run out of normal things to do, so today we are reinventing my arrow holder that I built for holding my arrows when I'm shooting my bow. I want to change it so that it holds my bow and my arrows. So today my dad and I are working on this. This is the original design. Christmas tree feet, tie wraps, PVC pipe, and then inside there's a little sponge for the arrow points, but we want to put like a metal rod to hold the arrows. So anyway, without further ado, let's see how we get along. Old faithful duct tape to end it all. It's altijd werk. There you go. So now I think it's a plus.
Optel sonder dat hy deursak. Ja,
Hy sak dit in.
en hierdie hou hom nou styf. Hierdie
Ja, hy hou hom vas en die onder hou hom vas en oral hou hom net vas. It's working. Kapot. Bam bam bam. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video where we made this little stand out of the stuff I found at my house. The first half of the bow and arrow holder, I would call it, I made myself with the PVC and the little Christmas tree stand here at the bottom. I made it with a bit of tie wraps and everything. The latter part you guys just saw where we added this little fish stand. My dad welded a horizontal rod on there so we can put the bow with the bows on there. And a little bit of hose pipe to just protect the limbs from against the metal. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little impromptu lockdown video, day 6. I'm still keeping busy, so I hope to see you guys next time.
Wash your hands.
As the cameraman said, wash your hands and stay safe.